Hi guys, welcome to the JHL dashboard. In this recording, I'll walk you through the basics of JHL, including contacts, pipelines, and stages, and how we use automations using a real example. So this is the main JHL dashboard. From here, you can access all core areas such as contacts, opportunities, automations, and reporting, and so on. Let's start with contacts. This is where all leads and clients are stored. Each contact record contains details like name, email address, phone numbers, tags, and custom fields collected from form or integrations. And let's click a sample contact. You can also see the communication history, notes, um, tasks, and any automation activity related to that contact all in one place. Next, we'll look at opportunities where pipelines and stages are managed. Pipelines give you a visual overview of where each lead is in the sales process, is new business pipeline. So each column represents a stage such as lead, attempted, contacted, assessment sent, consultation delivered. As leads move through these stages, JHL keeps everything organized and up to date. In many cases, moving an opportunity can also trigger automations in the background. Now let's move into automations. Um, Automations allow you to automatically perform actions based on specific triggers. For example, when a form is submitted, an opportunity is created, or a stage changes, this help reduce manual work and ensure consistent follow-up. Um, this is a sample automation called contact form submission. This is a sample automation. I'll walk you through how this workflow operates step by step. The trigger for this workflow is form submitted. This means the automation starts immediately when someone submits the selected contact form. So based on our sample, uh, form submitted from contact form or LP form. So the first action automatically creates or updates an opportunity in the pipeline. If the contact is new, an opportunity is created. If they already exist, their opportunity is updated. So this ensures all inquiries are properly tracked without any manual input. Next, the message submitted through the form is saved as a note on the contact record. This allowed the internal team to easily review the inquiry details directly inside the contact profile. The final step sends an automatic response email to the contact. So this confirms that their entry has been received and provides immediate acknowledgement, improving response time and overall customer experience. So to summarize, once contact submits a form, an opportunity is created or updated, the submitted message is saved as an internal note, and then the last, an automatic confirmation email is sent. All of this happens automatically without any manual actions from the team. So that concludes this walkthrough of the JHL dashboard and sample automation. So if you have any questions or would like a deeper walkthrough of a specific area, please let me know. Thank you.